Premiums are paid yearly. Premiums are paid yearly. So all the figures I mentioned earlier are paid on a yearly basis. However, if you want it at shorter intervals, you can also request for it. Maybe you don't have money to pay for the full year. You want to pay for 6 months. You're allowed to do so. You want to pay for 3 months. You're also allowed to do so. Now, the thing is that they don't usually encourage paying at shorter intervals. So if you are paying at shorter intervals, you tend to pay more overall than if you are paying yearly. So for example, if you are paying 482 Ghana cedis for a year for a private vehicle, 6 months will not be half the amount. You might be paying about 300 cedis for 6 months. So if you pay 6 months 300 and you pay another 6 months 300, it's basically it sums up to 600. So you might have ended up cheating yourself if you had paid 6 months 6 months. So take note of this when you are doing your insurance. Now let's move on to theft and fire. Everything I've said about third party still applies to theft and fire. The only additional benefit is that for theft and fire, when your car is stolen, it is going to be replaced for you. And if your car is destroyed by fire, it is going to be replaced for you. So for this particular policy, the value of your car is needed because the insurance company needs to have a budget in mind to work with just in case you lose your car under the conditions I mentioned and they want to replace it for you. Now, let's say a Toyota Vitz worth 80,000, you are likely to be paying between 2,000 and 2,500, somewhere around that figure for theft and fire. And in this case, like I said, everything I said about the third party still applies for theft and fire. The only other benefit is if your car is stolen, it is going to be replaced for you. And if your car is destroyed by fire, it is going to be replaced for you. So take note of that. Okay. Now, last but not the least, we have comprehensive, almighty comprehensive, and that is the most expensive. For comprehensive, that's the ultimate insurance, and you benefit all round. In the case of an accident, when your car is damaged, it will be fixed for you. When the other party's car is damaged, it will also equally be fixed. If you lose your car in any way, in any capacity, whether flood, whether there was a stampede and animals took the car away or destroyed it, you lose your car through a flood, it is stolen, whatever it is, you lose the car in any way, the car is going to be replaced for you. In case of an accident, let's say the car is damaged beyond repair, if the cost of fixing the car is about 70%, of the cost, they basically clear the car and then what? Buy you another vehicle. Yes, it comes with the